Alrighty, how's everybody doing? Been a day or so. A lot of things going on. So, one, wind's blowing pretty crazy here. Been like that for the last couple of days. But ended up going over to Wisconsin on Monday and spent the whole freaking day over there and didn't really accomplish anything. Anyways, so didn't really accomplish anything except taking a nice road trip with the wifey. She had the day off and nice 13-hour day, on the road. So, anyways, got over there and just say we didn't get a baler from over there, but I ended up getting this case baler yesterday. So went over there and looked at it. The guy had it and talked to him about it and this and that and so on and so forth. And we ran it and all this. And for the price, I figured, what the heck, might as well jump on it. And ended up having tire blowout on the way home with it, which was no big deal. The guy that I bought it from actually came and brought his jack, picked me up, and we went down and he paid for the tire and everything else. So I was pretty impressed with that. He really nice guy. But anyways, so got out here yesterday and he had power washed this thing all up and stuff, and we greased it and everything. And I got here yesterday and hooked it up and running it and making sure everything was working fine on it again, my time, not on his time, and had it going and was pretty happy, thinking, okay, unhook from this thing, hook up to the hay bine, go out and start getting some of this hay laid down on the ground. Got a couple of windows here that, might be able to actually get some bales done. So we all know how that goes. We turned around, and I keep saying I turned around and was getting ready to come unhook this thing, and lo and behold, there's oil pouring out of it. So started looking at it, and apparently my rear main seal blew out. Yay for me. So got to figure out about getting that fixed before we can do anything else. We made a couple of calls and everything, and actually talked to the guy that I got the tractor from, and he isn't going to be able to work on it because he's in the middle of getting his hay done. Plus he's got a tractor in there right now that's tore apart in his shop that he's got to get put back together first. But he got a hold of another guy, and that guy said he can get on it this week, coming up at the end of the week. Probably have it done sometime next week, hopefully before 4th of July. Yay, setback. So with that being said, he also said that he should have another tractor there that I can borrow until then, but he's not going to know till this afternoon for sure. So we all know when it rains, it pours. I'm not going to let it get us down. It is what it is. Like I said, you run older stuff, things happen, and they always happen at the times you don't want it to happen. But whatever, no whining, just gonna make it happen. One way or the other, we'll get her figured out. And like I said, we're gonna get this thing in and get the new rear main seal put in it, and hopefully then she's good to go. Good to go. Because it's ready to get cut out there. So, like I said, just wanted to do a quick video and everything, and show everybody the new stuff that we got, and how the new old stuff, and how the other older stuff is broke down, and we'll holler at you later.